How to add highlights to Instagram without adding them to Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add highlights to Instagram without adding them to Instagram story. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to add the highlights to Instagram without adding them to Instagram story, first of all, launch your Instagram application. After that, head over to your profile at the bottom right. And after heading over there, just tap on the menu bar. After tapping on the menu bar, you just need to go to this hide story and live option. Just tap on it and you just need to hide your story from each of the followers. Like select every people from your following. After that, simply tap on done and it will be hidden. So the next step you need to follow is just head over to your profile. After that, simply go on with the process on how you normally post a story. Just swipe to left or click on your story option. After that, simply create a story. I'm just gonna create this one right now. After that, what you're gonna do is simply tap on your story and wait for your story to be uploaded. And after it is uploaded, just tap on your story, and after tapping on it, tap on the three dot on the story and you can see this archive and delete option. You may just simply tap on archive or you may just delete. Simply tap on delete and wait for it to be deleted. After the story is deleted, you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right again. Head over to the menu bar and after going there, you'll be able to find archive and your activity. We're just going to click on your activity option. After that is done, you can find archived and recently deleted. Just tap on recently deleted and here you'll be able to find the story that you've just deleted. So what you're going to do is after this story has been posted, you just need to wait for 24 hours, and after that is done, you just need to tap on this three dot. After that, simply tap on this restore option, and after it is restored, you just need to go on simply with the process on how you normally create a highlight on your Instagram story. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.